Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jerry. You're watching Jerry Education. So in previous video, I've taught you guys how to get the Canva education for free, right? And those who have watched my video, definitely you know how to get the access for the education package. Now, why we want the education package? The reason is very simple. The reason is that we want to get Affinity Suite for free without spending a penny, right? Now, if you have watched my video from beginning to the end, definitely you know how to get the Canva for education. Now, if you don't have any sort of ID cards, I've already mentioned about the access, getting access for the ID card. If you don't have any sort of ID card, you can get the ID card from my link below. Now, I've already put my link in my previous video. You have to fill up the form and answer a few questions. It's very simple, basic, and definitely I have tried to give some of the viewer the ID card and then they have access the education package. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to install a font in your iPad. Now most of the fonts are pre-installed in the Affinity suite. But if you are typing in Tibetan and you want the Tibetan number, then definitely you have to install it, right? I've already mentioned about installing font in your laptop in my earlier video. Now let's get into my iPad and then I'll show you how to install the font. It's very simple, basic. It's not a rocket science. After that, I'm going to show you guys the interface of the Affinity publisher. Okay, let's get it. Now we are going to look at how to install font in your iPad. First thing, go to App Store, open your App Store. Now, in the search bar, type iPhone. Okay. The second app, we want the second app. Find, install any font, right? Download that one first. Secondly, go to your font. Okay. Now, if you don't have the font, there's a link down below where you can download the font. It's just like this. There's a two font, alright, Malam Uchin and Tibetan number regular, where you can download it, install it in your iPad. Go to the iFont, right? Now what you have to do is import font, click on that one, import from file, click on that one. Now where is your font, right? Now just click on the Tibetan number, alright, and it's in the app, I think, right? Let's go here. Okay, now the thing is that after you have imported the file, it's like maybe 100 KB, 200 KB, it's not too big file. After you have imported the file from the your file to iPhone app, it won't magically install in your iPad. You have to manually install that one. To install that one, I have here Tibetan number. There's a install button. Click on that one. Now it will say you have to click allow, right? Localhost, allow, close. Now open setting, profile downloaded. Click on that one. Now click on the install. Now it will prompt you to put your password, which I'm not going to show you guys. And again it will show me warning sign unassigned profile. It doesn't matter, we just want to install the Tibetan font. Done. Alright, now you have the phone here, Tibetan number regular. Okay, let's go back. Done. We have already installed the font, right? Okay, now close that one. As simple as this, right? Now the problem here is that when you use the font, you can use the font in the publisher, and if you have the page, then you can use that one, but it does not work in Google Docs or Google Sheet. All right, so installing font is easy, right? Now if you have the education package, the Canva for education package, then you can use the publisher, designer, photo completely for free. I've already told you guys. If you haven't watched that one, please go and watch that one first and then come back here. Go to App Store again. Now this time I want the publisher, so here I've already installed in my system, so it doesn't matter. I don't want to uninstall it first, right? I've already installed the Affinity publisher, designer and photo 3. All right, now go to your publisher tab. Now it will show you the interface, right? Before that you have to sign in using your Canva account. Okay, if you don't have a Canva account, you can purchase it. It's one-time payment and then you can use it for your lifetime. So I have the Canva for education, that's why I get this for free. Go to account, see my license, your subscription is active, it's linked with Canva. So if you don't have the internet connection, it won't work. Okay, remember that one. We'll close that one because I've already logged in. You have to log in so that in order to use this app. Now after this is the interface. Now don't assume that this file will come in your publisher. This is my own file, okay, my own document that I've created. So you have the interface like this. In your middle, this is your file where you store the file. Okay, now on your left side there's a bar where like a live docs meaning live document. It just shows you the recent or the opened I've created the file that you have created, right? Another one, new, that's obvious, right? From new document, new from clipboard, new from template, new project. Now if you are doing a project, you can use this one, so you can put all the file in one folder. Okay, now templates, if you have templates, you can use the templates. See, if I have the template, I can use that template. I do have a template, but I'm not going to open that one first. Underneath the template is a sample where you can access like the document or the brochure that people have created, or it's pre-installed in your Affinity publisher. Okay, so like let's say here's hermit cabin brochure, another one adventure calling. This one is like a type of magazine that you can use it for your own project. Let's click on that one. It will take a little bit of time depending on your internet connection. So after downloading it, you can see here 2-finger zoom in, zoom out. All right, see, don't worry about the tools in the right side and the left side. I'm gonna go through little by little, step by step, right? So you have a magazine like brochure like this type of magazine, but not exactly a magazine. See, it's beautifully created by a person. Now is there a name? I don't think so. Hermit lock. Okay, go back, let's go back. And then there's a help section where you can ask question, learning portal, quick guide, what's new. Okay, and underneath there, settings. In your settings, you have to do few of the things in order to use the app properly. I'm not gonna go through in this video. I'm just telling you guys, set it properly. First, install the font, download the Affinity publisher. After that, we are going to go through each and every tools that we have to use. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video, and if you have any sort of question or doubt, you can ask me in the comment below. I'll try my best to answer it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, where I'm gonna teach you guys how to set it up and what are the tools that you need to set the interface of the publisher. That's it, and do subscribe. Thank you.